When you're ready, make your way into child's pose, bringing your feet together and send your knees mat distance apart or wider. Just exhale to melt your heart and forehead down towards the mat. To slide your hands back to press yourself up to a tabletop. Shoulders over wrists, hips over your knees. Inhale, head, neck, and chest lift up for cow pose. Exhale, round your back for cat. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, round your back. Drop your belly down. Inhale to lift up. Exhale, tuck your chin in. Upper back rounds, tailbone tucks under. Come back to a flat back. Lifting your right knee up in the air. Put your left hand back to tap your right heel. And draw your right knee in towards the midline of your body, little crunch. Exhale, right leg lifts, tap your heel. Inhale, draw your belly in, draw your knee in. Exhale, come back to start. Tap your heel. Return to tabletop. Your left leg will lift towards the ceiling. Reach back with your right hand to tap your left heel. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. Exhale to release. Reach back to tap your heel. Draw your knee into your chest. Draw your belly in and up. And release back. Tap your heel. Draw your knee in last time. Extend the leg back up. Tap the heel. And then return to tabletop. To stand on your knees, with your toes tucked under and your heels lifted. Arms raise up high towards the sky. Reach back with your right hand, tap the right heel. Raise your arms up. Reach back with left hand to tap the left heel. Both arms raise. Exhale, sink your hips to your heels. Reach your arms forward. Take a breath. Walk your hands back to meet your knees. And lift your knees up. Curling your chin into your chest, round your back. Pause here, balancing on your toes. And exhale, gently bring your knees back down to the mat as you stand up on knees. One more time, arms lift towards the ceiling. Reach back and tap your right heel. Both arms lift. Reach back with left hand, tap your left heel. Reach both arms to the sky. And exhale, sink your hips to fold forward. Palms down onto the mat. Walk your hands back to your knees. Lift your knees up. Keep your toes tucked under. And pause here in this full moon rounded back shape. Gently lower your knees down to the mat. Pressing yourself up to stand onto your knees. Last round. Reach back and tap your heel. Right arm lifts. Left arm lowers to tap your heel. Left arm lifts. Exhale to sink your hips and fold down towards your mat. Walk your hands back to your heels to lift your knees, balancing on your toes. Round your back. And exhale, gently bring your knees back down to the mat. Walking yourself forward into tabletop. Tap the tops of your feet onto the mat to release. Bring your feet together and knees wide and hang out in your child's pose. Feel free to rest here for as long as you'd like. That's the end of our practice for today.